Hello everyone, welcome back. I have finished the bird journal and it was such a delight to work on, and I am just so proud of the finished product. But anyways, it is a large journal. It is 5.5 by 8.5, pretty thick. Let me see, I would say it's 2 inches thick. It has like a cloth, upholstery cloth spine on it, but the covers are from a book, an old book that I deconstructed, so those are a hard book cover. And I have it held together here with a burlap looking tie. It's not true burlap, it's a ribbon, so it should not fray on the edges here, and I kind of glued these down here that I don't think they'll fray any more than that. And this is a lovely, I've put some gold gilding all the way around the outside and the outside of the piece here on front. And we'll open it up, and inside it is just so beautiful. I have put these on the front and back covers, and I just thought these looked so neat. I reversed it for the back cover, so it's like come in the front door and you leave the back door. And these, I love swallows, and so these are like a little nest up there, and it's just, I just love this. So anyway, we'll get started. And so a few of these pages have been doubled up and sewn together to make them really stable to put stuff on. And here is the first page, and we have a journaling card I have sewn around with a little window. Um, and I do believe I did a video on making this. And then there's also another journaling card there in the back. I'll put that in later. And here's a diagram from an old retro book on painting, decorating and painting. And so I have a little bit of journaling cards tucked inside that place. And I've done some stenciling here and there to kind of dress it up. This is from an old nature book. And here's some ledger paper, did some stamping, and we can open it up. Did some more stenciling here, so you can write in it, or lots of writing. This really is a good writing journal. Here is a large frame with a window, and I have a tag inside, but you definitely could put your own photograph in there, and I think that would look really cute inside that frame. And more writing space. Here is another page that I've sewn together, and you can actually do some mixed media on that. And here is an envelope, a cute little nest, and inside, of course, is a little journaling card or tag that I've dressed up inside there. And so that just gets put under that clip. Here's from an old vintage book, and I've decorated it up a bit. Now, the middle of each of these three signatures has an Edith Holden spread on it, and I just love her artwork. It's so beautiful. I didn't want to do anything to it too much, so just for your enjoyment, and you can decorate up these middle pages as you would like. I tried to choose the ones with the birds, and here's some little paper charms on the end of the tie, or the middle of the signature. I did do a little gesso on some of the writing so that you can write over it or do something with it. That her paper pages are quite thick, and so you can do something there if you'd like, or just write it. Here's another one, that vintage page. Here is an altered tag, a little bit of vintage lace on the bottom, a little bit of Tim Holtz die cut there. And here's this lovely page. I think this is one, oh, I made this one. This is a digital that I made. I think this one and this one was definitely digital I made. And here are the tea stained papers in here. And then I have a couple of these really cute slides, specimen slides, I guess you would say. One with the bird and one with a rose. There's some acetate in the window. And little holes, you can dangle it off something or whatever. It's made with really heavy craft paper, so it's quite stable. little decoration. That other page of that old, love Martins too. My grandmother used to have a huge Martin house. It was so fun. And that other page of that vintage book. This flips out with a little journaling opportunity here. Inside that glassine bag, a little cutout, and of course some more places here for your journaling. Another flip out envelope. And so I also added quite a few botanicals in here so that you've got botanicals and birds. I'll list down below the places where I got a lot of these digitals. I got it from a couple different artists. Here's a file folder. Flips open, just like so. And goes inside this envelope. Huge page here for you to maybe put photographs on. This is or write or whatever. It's on a lightweight cardstock. And there's a pocket in the back, and you can add more to this pocket if you like. And this is a big, huge tag, or it could be a photo mount. All these beautiful eggs. This is some avocado dyed paper. Here's a cloth pocket with some journaling cards, and this is a journaling card that is one of my freebies. And if you missed that, I will link that video. And here's another journaling card there. Really pretty. Now inside these two pages that have been sewn together, I made a pocket between them. And so this is a huge journaling card. Again, you could put a photo mount on here and a little eyelet inside there. I've reinforced the entry of that pocket area, so it should hold up well. Here's a little paper lace doily and a couple of little, love these botanicals. These are from the Graphics Fairy Premium site. Really like that. And here is on this side a little nest. So cute. And a postcard. Not an authentic one, but a digital one. It's been sewn around. So a lot of these pieces I have sewn around. More ledger paper. Another vintage paper. And this is a hidden pocket. A hidden tag in here for something secret. And I'll link down below the video and how I made that. And I did a little bit of extra decoration up there on top. Love how this tea stain paper turned out. And here is the Edith Holden spread on this one. And oops, you know what? I think I was going to put this in here and decided not to because I didn't want to cover things up. And this is the beautiful artwork inside there. I did put down a strip of paper washi tape to kind of decorate it up. And here on this side is a 3 little tags put together with brad, so the brad can be taken out and you can, journal on them. And then I have a little charm inside the brad, a little feather charm. And I adjusted here in case you wanted to do a little bit of journaling or writing on that page. Here's another cloth pocket with a little charm. And inside here is an envelope with these cute feathers. And there is a tea stain paper that I printed some trees on, because you can't have birdies without trees, right? And just put that back inside. And here is a nice envelope that flips out with a really pretty nest. And inside there, in that envelope, is another really lovely journaling card. Now, I believe a lot of these did come from Victoria Designs, but I will put that link down. And here is another cute little tag tucked inside there. Some little vintage music paper with a little bit of decoration, lace, vintage book paper, stamping, that ledger page, a little bit of decoration down there. Here is a tuck spot. These lovely doves here. And some more journaling cards. And I sewed around to that one. And they get tucked up there. It's a glassine bag with a stamp. Inside there is a William Morris design with some birds. Makes a pretty tag, I think, in there. And another one of those really lovely designs. Now, that is on the digital. I didn't accidentally put my coffee cup there. Alrighty. And inside these two pages that have been sewn together is another large journaling card, or a paper mount, or a photo mount if you'd like to do that. Avocado dyed paper, and here is a pocket. This is a lightweight cardstock pocket, so like I say, you can put more inside that pocket, or you can put photos on there, whatever you like to do. Some more places. This is another one that I designed as well. And here is an envelope. And I believe that's from the Graphics Fairy as well, the premium site. And here's the journaling. Oh no, this might be from Artie Mays. I think this is from Artie Mays. And some owls and crows. This book I had a story about an owl, so I took that out, and here is a floating pocket with a cute little tag. And this is something else that I made. I videotaped this, so I will try to put all these links down below of some of these pieces of ephemera that I made, that I show you how I do it, in case you're curious or missed it. There's some pea stained graph paper. Here's one of those Tim Holtz pockets with a bunch of little cute pieces of ephemera that you can just, in fact, I think I'll just go ahead and throw this one in there, that you can use as you journal your different pages. Just little pieces. Another flip out envelope with some cards, some trees, some herbs, place to write, and inside is the other part of that digital print on coffee stained paper of trees, places to write. There's the pocket. I've sewn around that one, and oops, got glued in a little bit, and a little bit of journaling cards stuck in here. A charm on this Edith Holden center signature, and I've got some little paper charms on that one, and birds, such pretty birds. Oh, and you know what I forgot? I have my owl charm here in the middle of this signature. Okay, flip out this pretty mess. Oh, I just love her artwork. And here is this page with a pocket. I finally found this ribbon. I've looked for it at Hobby Lobby, and they always never seem to have it, but I got it with little leaves on it, and a long journaling card on the inside of it. And then some more avocado dyed paper. These cute birds. Here is a pocket with a little mini notebook, a little lace on the front, and I have little pockets here on the side with some more little pieces of ephemera. A few pages of coffee stained paper or tea stained paper, and some more little doodads I need to use. And another envelope stuck in here with a couple of bees and flowers. I like bees too, so had to put those in there. There we go. A little stamping. Here's one of those little pockets I made from a circle, and we did that on a video recently. And here is a paper bag pocket with an altered tag inside, a little bit of lace, and it's stuck inside there. And here we come to the last page and the back cover. So that's the journal. Now I realize that there's a lot of, humpy, bumpy places to write, for hard to write over. So I made this writing board, cute little writing board. I sprayed it with an acrylic sealing spray as well as I did the cover. And so you can use this to write on if you wish, and if not, you can frame it. So that is that journal. Thank you so much for viewing. I hope you enjoyed that. Hope it gave you some ideas. This will be in my Etsy shop, and it was a labor of love. Loved it. So we will be back again in a few days, and I will talk to you then. Take care. Bye.